Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So as we can see, I want to show you on a best result, and you can see that I've entered a particular trade. I just entered a particular trade this particular moment, and I want to show you guys a outcome of the result. And the reason why I take this particular trade is because of this my breaker OB, and you can say that the trend is on the uptrend, and currently I'm taking the buy zone to break this particular level on a uptrend. So what we are going to do is that I'm going to pause this video so that you can see that this perfect indicator is working, and is working perfectly in every zone that you want. So this is step index 200 on 1 minute time frames. So I have explained a lot about this particular indicator, but let's see how this particular indicator works. You can see my entry level is around this particular area, and my stop loss will be somewhere around this particular area. And let's see what the trade is going to do, and I'm going to pause the video and resume it back in some minutes times. Thanks. Hi guys, so as you can see, I told you guys that we are going to have our confirmation level out from this particular area to this particular last zone that we are seeing here, and you can see that the markets go massively to that particular zone. So that is the result of what we did the last time. So that is the outcome, and the reason why I take this particular trade is this. If you check this our breaker OB, you will see that in our the first one, it appear up to this particular moment, and we have our on multi-stage level, and we show us that this market is still going on a what, on a uptrend, and that's why we enter this particular area. And you can see that we take this our market up to this particular moment. I've already closed this particular trade. I will share it on my group up to this particular moment, but it does not show on my PC because I closed it on phone, on my mobile device. So that is how this strategy works. So this strategy is very accurate and very perfect. Now we have another breaker OB now. So now what we are looking for is another opportunity. If there's any multi-stage level appear at this particular level, then we can trade it down to this particular breaker OB. So this is how this perfect indicator works. So thanks guys, see you guys in our next video.